morning, guys. Today is weekend and it's our favorite weekend because daddy is not working. Meron kasing Saturday na si daddy is working, meron ding hindi, pero half day lang. Yes. Good morning, guys. Today is a nice day but it's a little bit cold. Yes. Konting lamig siya pero maaraw. Punta kami ng Bolton Market. Bibili kami ng gulay ni Bibi, baka merong kalabasa kasi nag-constipated siya for about 6 days. Hindi siya naka-poop. Tapos kahapon lang siya nakalibang. Sobrang tigas. Nung una niyang pagkalibang, no, kaya kuha na ka na. Nila ko yung kain niya. Sorry sa mga kumakain, ha. Pero pag nanay ka na pala, hindi mo na maisip yung baho. Yung arty. Dati sobrang arty ko talaga. Sinasusuka ako. Pero ngayon, yung anak ko na ganon, nag-constipated, hindi na ako nag-arty. Hinila ko talaga, guys, yung tain niya. Tapos pangalawa, umiiyak siya. Kaapat siya kahapon hanggang sa naging soft na. At panglima paggabi, he have a poop last night. Panglima nung gabi. So lahat yun siguro natatanggal, pero I'm sure meron pa din naiwan, right? Gusto niya nagsalita ako kasi inaantok siya. Tingnan niya. Ganyan. Kaya minsan para akong baliw, kinakausap ko siya kasi gusto yung mga ganon. Kinakausap ko, why your eyes is brown, why your eyes is green, why your eyes is looking so like that. Tapos nakatitig siya sa akin hanggang makatulog. Ganon. Baka iniisip niya yung mami ko is buang. Gusto yung lagi akong sasalita. Siguro iniisip niya, ano kaya yung pinagsasabi ni mami? Yes, look, come on, sleep. Tapos pinakain ko siya ng isang gabi ng peas, green peas. Minamash ko talaga siya. Tapos nilagyan namin ng orange juice kunti. Tapos kagabi, kahapon umaga, nagluto ako ng pears. Ini-steam ko siya. Tapos yung sabaw, pinainom ko muna sa kanya una para maano talaga yung tiyan niya. Yung para sa atin, pag umaga, uminom muna tayong tubig para mahugas yung malinis. Yun yung ginagawa ko. Tapos bago yung ayun, pagkarating lang niya sa trabaho, nakalibang siya. Grabe, sabi ko, pag hindi talaga siya nakapok, dalhin na natin siya sa GP, ganun. Kasi sobrang nag-alala na talaga ako, hindi ako makatulog. Nanay ka na, wala ng baho, walang arty-arty. Lahat gagawin mo talaga para sa anak. Diba, nakatulog siya. Gusto niya kasi pag nagsasalita ako. Is sleeping now, love. Kakabalik na namin galing market. Tapos yan yung aming mga binili. Paborito ni daddy. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Alam niya agad na ito ay for drinks. Oh, is it yummy?
Clever. Clever.
Because every time I have a drink, love,
you're a clever boy.
when we go out, he already like
Come on. You got milk.
Andito kami ngayon sa Cars Pastis. Kasi paborito ko ito dito. Paborito ni daddy.
Oh, you're in milk.
Tapos meron kaming original potato. Is it potato meat pie? Yan, sausage rolls, 1 each. And then we have daddy have a vanilla cake slice. And we have another. What is this called, daddy? What is this one?
They're like a chocolate pastry.
Yeah, chocolate pastry. Raspberry. Tapos kay daddy is vanilla. Slice vanilla. Look nice. Look yummy, daddy. Oh. It's expensive anyway. Tapos, where's the other sausage roll? Is it this one?
So
Okay.
Good.
I think it's a bit cold na that milk. Come to mommy.
We walking, come on, me.
I'm sorry. Hey. Full of sausage roll.
Cheeky.
Say hi. It's a bit cold today. Come on, hug to mommy. Hug to mommy. Hug to mommy. There you go. Kaya gusto ko magsuot ng malamig jacket kasi tinatago ko siya dito. Yan.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
There you go.
Where are you going?
Nice trick. Our pasties.
Hey. Come on. Here, draw some. Here.
Did you see it?
I know you did. Here. Oh my god. On this. Here.
Tignan eh. May kaagaw na ako sa puto.
Don't let me in. Let's go for them.
Ano, let's eat together. Huh?
No. No good for you.
You got milk?
Or you said you'd jump out.
Saan ito? Bahay na kami guys. Tapos ito yung ano nabili sa market. Nabili ako ng buyad na para siyang hawal-hawal pero maliit. It's dried caramel. It's like in Sri Lanka, thank you. Name, pero para siyang ano. Yan, maliit na. Parang hawal-hawal sa amin. Tawag sa amin parang maliit siya. Sarap to i-prito. Tapos ito talaga yung kalabasa na hinahanap ko. Yung parang sa atin sa Pilipinas. Maganda to kay Kayden. Bumili kami ng mangga. Isang mangga doon sa Asian. Siya pang mahal. Tapos bumili ako ng... Marami kaming sibuyas pero bumili ako ng ganito kasi mas masarap yung amoy ito yung sa atin talaga ba? Sa Pilipinas. Konti lang yung okra kasi hindi naman si daddy kumakain. Hindi si Shun kumakain ng okra. Pinili ni Shun na snack. Oh my god, 2 plus. Din niya itong obi pancake kasi gusto niya ako maghihina ng obi pancake. Favorite niya na pineapple. From the MS kay daddy ko piku. 3 packs. Gata. Ito yung pinakamasarap ng gata dito. Of course. Ubos na yung pinakorat ko. Bumili ako ng pinakorat. Pampasarap sa kain. Tapos adobo mix. Kasi kung mag-adobo ako, ito lang yung ilagay ko para masarap. Here. I know that he's sleepy today. I'm gonna make him sleep. We're gonna sleep. We're gonna sleep. Yung from Cars. Tapos ketchup. I'm gonna put in the on his lap. This one. I'm gonna feed him as well. So we can sleep. So we can sleep. I'm so tired. Nabili ako na baby octopus. Isama ko to sa kaan. Korean noodles. Ako lang ito kakain, si Shun hindi. Tapos, dumaan mo na kami sa Tesco. Kaya bumili kami ng kay Shun ko. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Tapos, hindi pa kami hindi pa talaga bumili ng mga pagkain dito kasi marami pa. Hindi kami agahan. Ito, igmas ko to para kay Kid. Puree, blueberries. Nagdugang na ako ng broccoli. Tapos, potato. Kasi naubusan kami ng potato for our steak ni Daddy tonight. Steak yung aming hunan mamaya. Tapos, with corn. And then, bumili lang ako ng avocado pang mix sa kay Kid pagkain. Nagagawin kong pure. Kasi alam niyo guys, kasi siya na constipating. Parang matatakot na ako magpakain sa kanya. Kasi abutan ng ilang days bago siya makakalimang. Yan lang yung binili namin. Hindi pa talaga kami ng proper shopping ni Sho next week na siguro. Ang dami pagkain dito, masasayang meron ba ako sa freezer. Ako lang kasi yung kumakain dito all week. Si Sho na sa trabaho. Kakain siya dito paghapunan lang. Kaya yung mainly talaga yung lulutuin ko panghapunan lang talaga. Hapunan lang kayo magkasama kumain from Lunes to Sabado minsan. Half dish siya Sabado. Lunes to Biyernes ako lang kumakain ng breakfast lang. Sure kopi ko stinky boom.
Thank you, Stinky.
You like not having kopi ko for almost a week. Pinaubusan siya last. I know from think 3 days wala siyang kopi ko. So is it 3 days 4 days?
What?
Yeah, having kopi ko.
Yeah, about 4 days.
Adobo ko ba ito or lagay ko sa noodles? Kasi masarap to sa noodles. It's nice this one in the noodles with a soup. You know the Korean noodles like.
Well, you didn't get any, did you?
I need to look what I forgot with my sister. I'm gonna ask my sister what noodles was the way. It's on my blog anyway.
Is it? Well, you can always get some, can't you?
I think in Tesco.
Yeah, you get some in Tesco's anyway.
There's a lot of noodles in Tesco. You know the ribs? Did you remember the bacon ribs? The one that we got like 3 months ago.
Yeah.
It's still there?
Yeah, they'll be alright.
No, I don't want the one that I said to you that I don't want it because it's so cold. It's red or something. It's not really like a real ribs.
Where'd you get it from?
In the Bolton. I want to get Bolton before that I said I don't like.
Oh, I thought we froze them out. Them are fresh ones, them are different ones.
No, I threw the half and the half is still there.
I thought you threw them all out.
No.
Because they were black.
I didn't throw it all. I was thinking too maybe I can, but I can't.
I'm sure.
No, yeah, I threw the other one, the others.
So they said get them in the bin, do not eat them.
Yeah, but I didn't throw it.
I'm sure them in different ones.
No, because we already eat all what we bought before in Bari. I always cook it, the fresh one that we got. And it's always there, the old one.
You sure?
Yes, I am the one who put all the food in there, so I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
What are you doing to our son? Why didn't you put it back?
What?
Why didn't you put it back all this?
I did. He's moved up. Been after that plastic.
I'm so tired now. My body love is so
I
tired.
am.
We need to sleep.
Still drink it.
Yeah?
Yeah, but
It's only the other day, or the other night. When did you put it? Friday night. Oh,
no, Thursday.
Thursday night.
Thursday.
What day? It's only Saturday today.
Yeah.
You want?
No, I've got Coca-Cola.
No, you drink it so you can have a belly.
Make you poop.
It's okay.
Is it sweet?
You don't like orange.
I don't like orange.
How many times I give him orange juice? Yeah,
Yeah, but it depends how sweet they are. They're not sweet. They're like.
I'm not giving him.
If they're not sweet, then he's not gonna like them because he doesn't. They're on the base of a lemon. The sour. When they're sour, he doesn't like sour.
Yeah, I'll try it. He doesn't like it.
And if you got Jaffa oranges, then they might not even be sweet.
Tracy choose it anyway, the Jaffa one, because she said it's sweet.